There is no greater thing you can do with your life and your work than follow your passions in a way that serves the world and you. I love that quote by Richard Branson. Hi, my name is Janet Bray Attwood, and I'm so excited to welcome you to this first lesson dedicated to helping you discover your unique life design. I'm so honored to spend this time with you throughout the duration of this course, and together we're going to have so much fun, God. But more than that, I have no doubt that you're about to surprise yourself. You're probably asking, why? Well, because the person you are now is about to discover new and extraordinary versions of yourself that you never thought possible. So let's look at how we can begin to reveal your hidden riches and live a life of passion, profits, purpose, and meaning. As the founder and creator of the Passion Test, I have been privileged to see its effects changing the lives of hundreds of thousands of people around the world. And this course has been designed to enable you to rediscover a version of yourself that you never thought was possible. And here's a question I'd like you to ask you before we continue. Am I ready to achieve greater clarity in discovering my passions? As we explore each lesson, we shall emphasize the importance on clarifying your passions. Because when you get in touch with the things that stir your soul, God, commitment becomes so simple. And my next question is, are you ready to create a clear action plan? Because it's going to be so effortless, because you're going to get so clear. And you're going to know, okay, did it, that's what I need to do, that's what I need to do, check, check, check. Because as you complete these lessons, you will have a chance to go deep within and discover what it really makes you tick. And in lesson 5, you'll get the opportunity to do what I love. You'll be able to go through the entire Passion Test process. And this course is a step-by-step process, and each step has one and only one purpose, and that is for you to be clearer than you have ever been about what really matters to you. And by the time our time together is over, I have no doubt that you'll have achieved that vision. And not only that, but you will know that you're really in alignment with your gifts. So the purpose of this course is to ensure that your vision comes to life. And first of all, it's important that you have the vision so that you can really go, okay, I got it. So as each lesson progresses, I'm going to take you through a process that will discover your breakthrough strategy for your whole year. You have every reason to get excited, because when you finish this course, you will have discovered so many things. You'll be so much clearer about your passions, number one. You'll have a super clear vision for your life, starting with the coming year. You'll have defined your key projects, because it's a no-brainer once you know what you're passionate about. And you'll firmly be established in the 5 action steps that are here for you to take. And you'll learn the tools that will serve you not just now, but for the rest of your life, and help you follow in the footsteps of every single person who's enjoyed great success in their life. And by success, we mean success in your terms, not in the eyes of anyone else. Like, who cares? Believe it or not, there is even more. As an added bonus, woven throughout this entire course from our book, Hidden Riches, we've included some hidden gems that reveal to you the true meaning and power of ritual. And you'll soon discover that ritual is not what you thought it was. In fact, you'll learn how to apply ritual to your everyday life in ways you could have never anticipated. And as you step through each of the carefully planned lessons, you'll find that adding the concept and celebration of ritual to your quest will bring your life so many rewards. Okay, you guys, are you ready for lesson 1? Let's go.